Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to attach a file from OneDrive to your email. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to onedrive.com. You'll need to sign into your Microsoft account to access your OneDrive files. This step connects you to all your cloud storage and prepares your workspace for managing files across Microsoft services. Once you've signed in, wait a moment while the login process completes. You'll automatically be redirected to your OneDrive dashboard where you can see all your stored files and folders. Now, to attach a file from OneDrive to your email, start by looking at the top left corner of your screen. You'll notice a small icon with 9 dots arranged in a grid. Click on this icon to reveal all the Microsoft apps that are linked to your OneDrive account. This app launcher is your gateway to seamlessly switch between different Microsoft services without leaving your browser. From the list of options that appears, locate and click on Outlook. This will open your email client in a new browser tab, keeping your OneDrive tab accessible if you need to switch back. Give it a few seconds to load completely. Once your Outlook dashboard has loaded and you can see your inbox, look for the New Email button, typically located prominently at the top of your screen. Click on it to start composing your message. An email composition window will now appear with all the standard fields like recipient, subject, and message body. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the Attach File button, which is usually represented by a paperclip icon in the toolbar. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with different attachment options. From this drop-down, click on the OneDrive option. This is what makes the process so convenient because you're pulling files directly from your cloud storage rather than uploading from your computer. After selecting OneDrive, you'll see all your OneDrive files displayed and ready to be selected as attachments for your email. This interface shows your entire OneDrive folder structure, making it easy to find exactly what you need. To select a file, simply click on the checkbox that appears next to it. You can select multiple files if needed by clicking additional checkboxes. Once you've selected your file, look for the Share Link drop-down button. Click on it and you'll see different options for how you want to attach the file. From these options, click on Attach. This action will add the file from your OneDrive directly to your email as an attachment. The file is now ready to be sent along with your message, and the recipient will be able to download it just like any regular email attachment. And that's it! You've successfully attached a file from OneDrive to your email, streamlining your workflow by keeping everything within the Microsoft ecosystem. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.